Hey, I just wanted to read over the directions on this project so you guys had a very clear idea of what you're supposed to do. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick two of the shapes down below, two of any of these shapes. Now, I'll give you a hint. That one's hard. I wouldn't try that one. Probably don't. All right, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to make the shape on the graph below. You're going to find coordinates for the shape. So in order to do that, obviously, you're going to need to create an x and y axis. And then if you wanted to make a scalene triangle, here, I'll give you one, that, and there, and probably over here somewhere. Name it whatever you want, A, B, C. And then you would need to state the coordinates here, so blank, comma, blank, blank, comma, blank, etc. Oh yeah, sorry, here, scalene triangle. And then there's the third coordinate. Now, you have to prove that this is a scalene triangle. So in order to prove that this is a scalene triangle, you would need to find distances. And when you get the distances, you should end up with 3 different ones, because that's the definition of a scalene triangle. And then you write a quick sentence explaining, this is a scalene triangle because I found all the distances and they were different. Now, there's one super important note here. Let me get rid of this real fast. Okay, so let me get rid of it. There we go. Much better. So one super important note. If you were to pick, say, a square, notice this. Don't use shapes in what's called standard orientation. That's when it's only horizontal or vertical sides. So for example, if you made a square and you went, hey look, I made a square. That's not okay. With that, you need it to not have vertical and horizontal sides. You'd have to make it kind of look slanted. Like for example, this is a square. That's a square that you would be able to use. Okay, so on the front, pick a shape and then write its coordinates and then prove that it's that shape. And on the back, do the same exact thing with a different shape. Cool? All right, email me with any questions. Let me know.